Now we have the recitation of some verses of Surah Isra and its translation in English. I call upon Sister Kulsum and Saima from class 6. Sister, please come on the stage.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ismi umme Kulsum ana adrusu fi safis sadis. Ismi Saima firdos ana adrusu fi safis sadis. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. I seek protection in Allah from Shaitan, the rejected one. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. وَقَضَى رَبُّكَ أَلَّا تَعْبُدُوا إِلَّا إِيَّاهُ وَبِالْوَالِدَيْنِ إِحْسَانًا إِمَّا يَبْلُغَنَّ عِندَكَ الْكِبَرَ أَحَدُهُمَا أَوْ كِلَاهُمَا فَلَا تَقُل لَّهُمَا أُفٍّ وَلَا تَنْهَرْهُمَا وَقُل لَّهُمَا قَوْلًا كَرِيمًا. And your Lord has decreed that you not worship except Him, and to parents good treatment, whether one or both of them reach old age. While with you, say not to them, and so much as uff, and that do not rebel them, but speak to them a noble word. وَاخْفِضْ لَهُمَا جَنَاحَ الذُّلِّ مِنَ الرَّحْمَةِ وَقُلْ رَبِّ ارْحَمْهُمَا كَمَا رَبَّيَانِي صَغِيرًا. And lower to them the wing of humility out of mercy, and say, My Lord, have mercy upon them, as they brought me up when I was small. رَبُّكُمْ أَعْلَمُ بِمَا فِي نُفُوسِكُمْ إِن تَكُونُوا صَالِحِينَ فَإِنَّهُ كَانَ لِلْأَوَّابِينَ غَفُورًا. And your Lord is most knowing of what is within yourselves. If you should righteous in intention, indeed He is ever often returning to Him, following. وَآتِ ذَا الْقُرْبَى حَقَّهُ وَالْمِسْكِينَ وَابْنَ السَّبِيلِ وَلَا تُبَذِّرْ تَبْذِيرًا. And give the relative his right, and also the poor, and the traveler do not spend wastefully. إِنَّ الْمُبَذِّرِينَ كَانُوا إِخْوَانَ الشَّيَاطِينِ وَكَانَ الشَّيْطَانُ لِرَبِّهِ كَفُورًا. Indeed, the wastefully are the brothers of devils, and ever his shaitan been to his Lord ungrateful. Jazakallahu khairan. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.